Hello, good morning, sir. Today we have to discuss AC series circuit. In that, first we have to take RL series circuit. We have to study voltage, current, power, and its related waveforms. Consider a pure resistance R ohms is connected in series with inductance L henries as shown in figure. This series combination is connected across AC voltage source. AC voltage source may be instantaneous or it may be RMS value. In this derivation, we have to consider RMS value. Let capital V be the RMS value of applied voltage, which causes the flow of capital I RMS value of current. This RMS value of current remains same. That is, same current is flowing through resistance R and inductance L. It is already observed that in pure resistance, voltage across the resistance VR and current are in phase because phase angle is 0. And it is also known that separately of pure inductance, in pure inductance circuit, current lags the applied voltage by 90 degree. So here in general, as considering the voltage, current lags. If I take the current as reference, voltage leads by 90 degree. Understand, sir? We have to consider or we have to construct a voltage triangle. So OA represents resistive drop VR. VR equal to I into R. VR and I are in phase. It happens in pure resistance circuit. In similar fashion, voltage across inductance is VL. VL equal to I into XL. This VL leads the current by 90 degree. So we have to draw perpendicular distance A to B. And similar fashion, you have to consider the impedance triangle. Due to resistive drop, capital R, OA is drawn, capital R, AB in similar fashion, that is inductive drop. Inductive drop is due to XL. So vector sum of VR and VL gives applied voltage. Vector sum of drops VR and VL gives applied voltage capital V. In similar fashion, vector sum of resistance and inductive reactance will give impedance, where theta is phase angle. So if derivation is asked in examination, means you have to draw all three: electric circuit, voltage triangle and impedance triangle. After that, you start. Consider a AC series circuit with pure resistance R ohms is connected in series with an inductance of L Henry as shown in figure. This series combination is connected across an AC voltage source. So let V be the RMS value of applied voltage. It is in volts. Then which causes the flow of resultant current be the RMS, capital I be the RMS value of resultant current. VR is the voltage drop across resistance. VR equal to I into R volts. Both are in phase. In similar fashion, VL represents voltage drop across inductance. It is also referred as inductive drop. So VL equal to I into XL. What is the relation? VL and I are having a phase difference of 90 degree. If I taking VL as reference, current lags. If I take the current as reference, voltage leads. Voltage leads by 90 degree. Hence, from the voltage triangle, it is clear that applied voltage V is the vector sum of resistive drop and inductive drop. That OB represents applied voltage. OA represents VR and AB represents VL. Therefore, OB equal to under square root of VR square plus VL square. So you replace what is the VR? PR equal to I into R. What is the VL? I into XL. Therefore, you take the current outside. Hence, V by I, ratio of voltage by current in AC circuit gives impedance in general. Z is the impedance of given AC circuit. So, in RL series circuit, impedance becomes under square root of R square plus XL square. What is the XL? Inductive reactance. XL equal to 2 pi FL ohms. L is in Henry. From impedance triangle, it is observed that Z is the impedance. It is the vector sum of R and XL. So, tan theta equal to XL by R. Therefore, phase angle theta equal to tan inverse of XL by R. So, this phase angle is above 0 degree, less than 90 degree. It depends upon resistance value and inductance value. So, from the voltage triangle, it is observed that as compared to voltage, the current lags. The current lags by an angle theta. Theta is available from above expression. Hence, we have to develop voltage and current expressions. So, we have to consider instantaneous value. If the applied voltage is instantaneous voltage, P equal to Vm sin omega t, call the equation number 1. Then resultant instantaneous current becomes I equal to Im sin omega t minus theta. Minus means lags by an angle of theta, where Im equal to Pm by Z. Pm is maximum value of voltage, Z is impedance of circuit. So, after obtaining the voltage and current expressions, give the statement as compared to voltage, or considering the voltage as reference, current lags by an angle theta. Theta may be above 0 or less than 90 degree. The waveforms are shown in figure. For the analysis of power, same relation can be drawn in another diagram. You see there voltage and current vectors can be represented. So, current lags the voltage by an angle theta, but current can be resolved into two components. One parallel to applied voltage, another one perpendicular to applied voltage. I cos theta is known as parallel component. So, it is also referred as phase component with applied voltage V. I sin theta, perpendicular component or quadrature component with applied voltage, as shown in figure. In AC circuit, the power is given by the product of voltage and current, which is in phase with applied voltage. Hence, power equal to V into I cos theta, where V is RMS value of voltage, I is RMS value of current, cos theta is power factor. Power equal to Vi cos theta, where cos theta is once again it is referred as power factor. RMS value of voltage, RMS value of current into power factor of the system. So, power is measured in watts. Watts equal to volt into current into power factor. So, this watts or capital P, it is also referred as true power, and product of voltage and current RMS values V into I, it is also referred as apparent power. So, in terms of true power equal to apparent power into power factor. So, apparent power is defined as the product of voltage and current of a given AC circuit. It is measured in volt ampere, or it is also expressed in kVA. So, power factor of an given AC circuit is defined as cosine of phase angle. Cosine of phase angle. It is known as power factor of given AC circuit. From the above definition, power factor is also defined as ratio of true power to apparent power. In RL circuit, the power equal to Pi cos pi. We know that from impedance triangle, cos pi is also equal to ratio of R by Z. Hence, you replace cos pi equal to R by Z, develop the expression. So, it should be modified V by Z into I into R. What do you mean by V by Z? It is RMS value of current. So, finally it becomes I square into R. Hence, it shows that in a given RL series circuit, the resistance effect only consumes the power. Resistance effect in RL series circuit consumes the power. Hence, power is also equal to I square into R. Remember, if R is available, I is available, so the power is also equal to I square into R watts. So, in the examination, obtain the power expression means you go with instantaneous power. Sir, all of you understand. So, instantaneous power small p equal to product of instantaneous voltage and instantaneous current. You substitute earlier values Vm sin omega t into Im sin omega t minus pi. So, you take the terms Vm Im into sin omega t minus pi. It is becomes 2 sin A sin B expression. You take that in terms of cos. So, it is simply mathematical expression. You directly write that Vm Im by 2 cos pi one term, second minus cos 2 omega t minus pi. So, instantaneous power consists two parts. One is known as Vm Im by 2 cos pi. It is referred as constant part. Second one is known as Vm Im by 2 cos of 2 omega t minus pi. It is known as varying component or fluctuating component. So, above power expression consists two parts. One is referred as constant part. It is mainly contributes to the real power. Vm Im by 2 cos pi, it only contributes to power. But second term Vm Im by 2 cos omega t minus pi, it is known as fluctuating part or varying part, which varies twice frequency of applied voltage. This value for one complete cycle is 0. Hence, power per one cycle, it is also known as average power or power per one cycle equal to Vm Im by 2 cos pi, because second component for one cycle is 0. Hence, Vm Im by 2 cos pi. This may be replaced by Vm by root 2 into Im by root 2 into cos pi. Then Vm by root 2 is RMS value of V. Im by root 2 is RMS value of current. Hence, final expression becomes power per one cycle equal to Vi cos pi, RMS value of voltage into RMS value of current into power factor. You have to show in the examination, derive the expression for power, means you go this. And to draw the waveform, first you draw again voltage and current. After that, you see there where these voltage and currents are getting positive power. Where one of the quantity goes negative, in that spike negative power. So, the power waveforms with along voltage and current waveforms are as shown in figure. So, thank you to one and all.